Hi there, how's it going? This is Cross the Rubicon channel. The time is now 10:45 in the morning and I am in England, in Kent, an undisclosed location in a very tiny little place somewhere in Kent. It's beautiful, it really is a beautiful summer's day here. Still tired after the huge journey. I think it's about 35 hours all up travelling, so I'm still a little bit smashed, but I'm glad I'm here after 19 and a half years in New Zealand. I'm back home, albeit I'm not very familiar with Kent at all. But I never realised Kent was such a beautiful place. Coming from London yesterday on the train, I thought, Jesus, what a beautiful place Kent is. I'm just walking past the sign of the village, but I'm not going to show that. So yeah, it's the quiet country roads here. Hopefully you can hear this, a little bit windy, but a beautiful, typical summer's day. Nettles everywhere. It's just beautiful, it really is. Just walking down country lanes here. Stunning place. So anyway, New Zealand. It's going to be behind me for a few weeks anyway. I'll see what happens. My plans are all up in the air at the minute, and I'll just play it by ear and see what's going to happen in my life. I did what I did in New Zealand for the right reasons. I told the truth, and I've paid a price for it. But that's the way it goes. Truth is lies and lies is truth now. And it's a world upside down, and the UK is no exception. I've been told that the UK is even worse, but we'll have to, well, pardon me, I'll find out. But I'm pretty well much in demand here. People want to catch up with me, people I've never met, so it's going to be quite interesting. Got to stand on the side of the road here while cars go past. It's very, very tight road. Yeah, but I've got a lot of people to meet, a few interviews to do as well. I'll let you know about those interviews, and I'll post them on YouTube and Telegram if I say anything dicey. And yeah, just show you this. This is a typical scene in an English Welsh village. It's all the roadsides. Look at the nettles here. Look, nettles everywhere. You don't really see that in New Zealand. Not as much as that. The bindweed. That's lovely, it is. And this is where they had the dog fights, 70 odd years ago. The dog fights in the skies here between the Spitfires and the German bombers. Would have been a hell of an interesting place to be. Like I said, I don't really know Kent. The only time I've ever been to Kent is driving through it on the way to Dover. It's quite a shame, actually. There should be more known about it. But anyway, I'm just going to go to the village hall now for a breakfast. I hear there's breakfast time there. Not sure how much it's going to cost, but I don't care. A full English breakfast in England. What, are you going to get better than that? So this is Cross the Rubicon, sign out. Please like, subscribe, and anybody that wants to catch up with me in the UK, get in touch, because I'll be mobile within the next few days. I'll get myself a little car, and I don't know whether I'll hire one or what, I don't know. I'll be travelling about, meeting people, and it'll be great, can't wait. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and share everywhere. See you later.